don't know really what I'm doing or what I just did with
Well, the way that thing's set up,
Let's get Starbucks. All right, guys, I just finished up with my workout. Sorry, I'm trying to find my water really quick. Today's workout was a glute workout, and I showed you guys a circuit. I forgot my water. That's okay, I'll get one from Starbucks. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that glute circuit that I showed you and a little bit of the other glute movements. Today, I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what I eat. I am gonna go to Starbucks right now. I'm gonna get a water because I forgot mine. I'm gonna get a coffee because I need to wake up. And then I'm gonna make a protein shake at home. After, cold, I'll talk to you guys at Starbucks. Just get a venti strawberry refresher.
Yeah, that's the best one.
Sweet, thank you.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, perfect. We'll see you up here.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
It's my new favorite drink and it's low calories.
Alright,
Cool.
there you are.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too.
Bye.
Bye. Woo! Alright guys, let's do this. I'll take my first sip on camera. Is it even still recording? Sometimes my camera plays me, guys. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it's still recording. So good, guys. Okay, I'll see you at home. So change your plans. We're gonna go to Complete Nutrition. We're gonna take my body fat and my water weight. I'm kind of nervous, not gonna lie, because I haven't been that good lately, guys. Like, I've been eating a lot. I've been getting my calories in, but my water intake, my candy intake, Okay, let's do this. Hi! Good, I'm vlogging. Say hi to my YouTube channel.
Oh, hi!
Let's do this.
All right, it's ready for you.
Please remain still while weight is measured. Weight measurement is completed. If body test is completed.
All right.
Press body composition history.
When was the last one you did?
I think
It
maybe
was November, end of November.
Yeah.
5 pounds fat.
It's so crazy.
Crazy.
I know at first.
It's awesome though.
Thank you. At first I was like, oh, okay.
In pounds.
Oh, okay.
You know, because that one's gonna show up the
In
percentage.
percent.
If you want, I can print the other ones for you.
No, it's okay.
No, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, but these are amazing numbers, Ollie.
Thank you so much. I've been working really hard. I just want to get my legs up. You look really good too. Going over this test, guys, my current body fat is 20%. And this is my muscle mass percentage-wise. So everything's over 100%. And this is where you can see my progress. So in June, I was 124 pounds, and my body fat was 25%. As of today, I dropped 5% body fat. I'm now 113 pounds. And this is not my morning weight, so I'm probably a little bit less than that. And my muscle is staying on. So right now, I just want to focus on getting stronger. I want to put more muscle mass, and yeah, I guess you can call it bulking, but I don't really want to put too much pressure on it. I think I might track for a little bit. If I do, I'll show you guys. I think I might track for a little bit just to see what my maintenance calories are, and so I can be better about packing my meals. But yeah, I don't want to stress out about anything, and I don't want to stress out about the scale. So that's what I just don't want to do moving on to a new goal. You guys get what I'm saying? Anyways, let's go to lunch, guys. I'm gonna mix up my protein shake, and I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, I got the Greek salad. Karina got the kale chicken salad. And I got this rice thing. Okay, guys, just want to show you an update. I have been home for a while now, and I'm just want to show you, I ate this as a snack, just about half. Maybe I'll have maybe I'll have the other half tonight, or maybe I'll have it tomorrow. But yeah, that's what I had as a snack right now. I am also gonna have a couple of these. Make sure you guys look at the serving sizes for dried fruit, because for only 6 of these prunes, it is 23 grams of carbs. So just be mindful, guys, of dried fruit. Look at your servings. I'm gonna make my last meal of the day. 6 minutes and you're done. It comes with the sauce and it's really good in calories. I'm probably gonna have this with some rice. So yeah.
Maybe she delayed our plane or something. Just like making all these conspiracies.
Last thing I'm having, guys, and that is it for this video. Good night. Okay, that's it. Thank you, guys.